In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Canva error messages fast, even if you're not sure what the message means at first. Whether you're seeing something went wrong, access denied, page not found, too many requests, or a server error, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to designing as quickly as possible. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, if you see a message that says something went wrong, the simplest fix is to refresh the page. On Windows, you can use Ctrl+R. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and then try again. A lot of Canva issues are caused by old or corrupted browser data, so clearing the cache often solves the problem immediately. If the error still appears, open Canva in a different browser and test it there. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser session, so switching browsers can get you back in faster. Next, if you get an access denied or 403 error, the first thing to try is turning off your VPN. Canva may block some network paths, and a VPN can trigger access issues. If you're still blocked, try switching to a different internet connection, like your mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi network. You should also disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools. To do that in your browser, click the three dots menu, go to Extensions, open Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that could interfere with Canva. After that, reload the page and check if the error is gone. If you're seeing a page not found or 404 error, the issue is usually the link or the design path. In that case, double check the URL for any mistakes or missing characters. If the link still doesn't work, go back to the Canva homepage and open the design from there instead of using the broken link. This often fixes designs that won't load properly from bookmarks or old shared links. If the message says too many requests or 429, Canva is usually protecting itself from too many repeated actions in a short period of time. The best solution is to wait a few minutes and then refresh the page. In most cases, the limit resets on its own, and you can continue normally after a short pause. If you see a server error like 500, 502, 503, or 504, the problem may not be on your side at all. In this situation, search Canva down in your browser and check whether the service is having an outage. If Canva is experiencing server issues, the only real fix is to wait and try again later. While you wait, avoid repeated refreshing every second because that usually won't help and may make the issue worse. The best approach is to try the basic fixes in order: refresh, clear cache, switch browsers, disable VPN, turn off extensions, and check Canva's server status. That sequence solves most Canva error messages without wasting time, and once you know which error you're dealing with, it becomes much easier to fix it quickly and get back to editing. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.